Good morning, guys. It is day 9. This is earlier than I've ever been to my class, but as I'm early, I'm also late because normally I go there by 10-11, but today they said I must come by 8 o'clock, so I'll be the first person to drive the truck. And congratulations, guys. Today I'll be driving the truck for the first time. I've mastered all the areas of changing gears, moving from 1 to 2 to 3, getting the relationship between the clutch and the brake and everything. I've mastered that. Just that I haven't driven a truck before. I haven't reversed before. I'd reversed twice since my lesson. So, but today, what I'm going to do is learn the allied parking and reverse on a straight line. Make sure that I park the car at the marked spot. Okay, guys, this is what I'm supposed to do. This is the reverse that is going to make or fail me. So whether I get my license or I don't get my license depends on how good I park this car without hitting any single cone. So you gotta be perfect.
1 hour later.
Okay, guys, yeah, it has dawned on me that I might not be passing this. Yeah, it has dawned on me that I might not be passing this, but I still have some more time to go because I just finished my early docking, my forward and back reverse. Guys, forward and back reverse was easy. It was the easiest I've done since I started this. It was the easiest thing I've done since I started this. But you know, the early docking, yeah, going where you have to reverse then go inside the cone. Guys, the first time I tried it, I knocked out all the cones. Yeah, it was bad. My instructor was very angry. Like, imagine he gave me the grace to record me today, to take videos of me today while I was driving, but immediately I knocked down that thing. I already made up my mind. You know what, he's angry, he's not gonna allow me to take any videos today. So I decided I'm not gonna ask again. But after the second time I got it right. The third time I knocked down only one. Then the fourth time I got it right. The fifth time I got it right. So I did it for 6-7 times, and I failed 3, but I got 3 right. So it's not a pass, but he said if I come back in the afternoon around 4:30 that I'm gonna take another class. Then tomorrow I'm gonna take another class. Then 4:30 I'm gonna take another class course.
A few moments later.
So guys, we're still on day 9, and like I told you guys earlier in the morning, they said I should come back this evening because I have my exam on Friday and today is Wednesday. So I went back and we just did a little 20-25 minutes lesson, and I guess in the morning I knocked down 4 cones out of the 6 that was there. But today, this evening, as my instructor would say, I am the best. But guys, yeah, I still have a long way to go though. I still have a long way to go, knowing that tomorrow is my last class, and on Friday I'll have to do a little kind of revision before my test start, because my exam is gonna start by 2 o'clock. But from what my instructor says, I can write it at any given time that I'm available. So he promised that what he's going to do is let me drive again on Friday for maybe 30 minutes, and then we go to my testing ground and then I will test. And hopefully after Friday, after tomorrow's class, which will be 1 hour, he said he's gonna give me a 1 hour class instead of the normal 30 minutes that I paid for. So after 1 hour's class tomorrow and then another maybe 30 minutes on Friday before my exam, I think I will be better at parking. Because right now I'm good at moving, I'm good at stopping, I'm good at reversing, I'm good at changing gears. The only thing that I find difficult right now is the parking, the allied dock, early docking parking, or early docking, whatever it's called. So that's the one that I'm finding very difficult. But others, yeah, I've aced everything in the car except that parking. That moving forward and reversing backward on a straight line is that one. Going forward and turning, I've aced that one. Guys, I've aced everything except the parking. So tomorrow we're gonna focus more on the parking, and then after tomorrow it will be my exam.
The next day.
Today is the 4th of September 2025, which also happens to be my 10th and last day as a driver's learner, as a learner. Yes, as a learner, because for the past 2 weeks I've been going to Swisson driving school, learning how to drive on a quest to get my license. I've booked a date. The date of my class, the date of my exam is tomorrow by 2 p.m. I'll be tested on what I've learned throughout these past 2 weeks. My class was supposed to be 25 classes, but because I was running out of time, I only had 10 classes. But from the 10 that I had, it is very, very promising, because since they noticed that my date is closer, they compiled everything that I need to learn in those 25 classes and taught it to me in 10 classes. So today will be my final class, and it's 8 o'clock right now, and I'm heading there just to conclude my last class. Okay guys, here we are. This is the area where we'll be doing the final lap of the class. This was where I was yesterday, and as you can see over there is my instructor, the one and only Mr. Lucky. He's been amazing. So there is another student here, but he doesn't have any date here, so they said it's better he does this and he can go. So they'll give me their undivided attention, since I'll be the one writing tomorrow. So they want to be done with him first, then focus on me. So guys, there I'm gonna wait, and then after he's done driving, it's gonna be my turn. And you know what we did? We're gonna do the early parking, and then the forward and backward, the reverse and moving forward on a straight line, and the parking with your back. Guys, the reverse parking, yeah, early parking, reverse parking, whatever the hell it's called. So that is what I'll be tested on, and we're gonna be driving on the road. Yo guys, the driving on the road part, I've mastered it, because throughout the past week and this week I've been driving on a Code 8 car, and it is almost the same thing. Just that the clutch and then the steering wheels are just a little bit bigger and harder to match. Okay guys, the turn is officially over. This is the car. This will make or break me tomorrow, but so far I'm done with my class, and this is the day 10 and the final class that I'm ever going to take before I get my license. Now what you're waiting for, guys, today I did close to 20 reverse parking, and out of them, some of them I had an instructor inside of the car. I didn't knock down any cone. Some without instructor, I didn't knock down any cone. So out of all the 20 that I did today, I only failed twice. So compared to yesterday, I did 6, I failed 3 and passed 3. Compared to today that I did up to 20, I passed 18 and I failed 2. I think it's a great feat. It shows that I have improved from what I did yesterday, And tomorrow very early in the morning I'm just gonna come here again, and we're gonna do a revision of everything that they have taught me from code 8 to code 10. And once I'm done with that, around 12 o'clock I will go to the testing ground, and we'll be driving. So guys, that is it, that is everything. And hopefully with everything that I've done, today, I am optimistic, guys. I am optimistic. From the past 2 weeks till now, it sums up to tomorrow. It will sum up tomorrow. So I don't know if I'm gonna get it, but if I let go of my doubt, if I let go of my fear, I think I'm gonna ace everything, because my instructor is one of the best. I'm not saying it because he says it, but I'm saying it because I know. Given that I haven't even driven a car before, and in 10 lessons, I can drive not on freeway. I still can drive on freeway. But just to know that on 10 lessons, I'm in full control of the car. I can drive the car on a minor road to any distance without faltering the rules of the road, or hitting into an oncoming car, or swerving off the road, for somebody who doesn't know how to drive. And thinking that it would be difficult to do, and then just finding out that in 10 classes I learned all this. I have to give shout out to my instructor and to my driving school, and also to me, because it hasn't been easy. So I want to say, yeah, tomorrow we will find out if we will get our license or not. That is it, guys. Day 10 and final class of my driving school is officially over.